cranium, and I take the nape of the neck back and down through the spine. And now she's opening up a little bit. You can see that. As she opens up, I see how far she opens, and there's another door that just opened, which is right here in the back.
Oh.
So that's my left hand. That's my left hand.
That's the earthquake, though, right?
Trying to make another hole in the front.
The left hand does not know where he is. So, no. I love it. Now I try to unify all of it. And I give a little bit here, releasing the triceps. And that takes the person back and up here, all the way across there. And then I come up here again. And now I'll test the waters. I said, go ahead and think of standing. And yep, it happened. When she thought of standing, she pulled down here. We didn't even move. So I said, okay, this time, when you think of standing, listen to what you do through here. Think of standing. And can you sense the slight pull? Okay, this time when you think of standing, also think of allowing the neck to be free, the muscles of the neck to be free, to lengthen. Now you're not pulling down. So can you continue to move out of the chair? Don't think of it as sitting and standing, think of it as movement. If you think sitting and standing, you still have trained the brain to respond to what you mean by sitting and what you mean by standing. Movement is neutral. So think of moving from where you are out of the chair. And nothing happens in your head and neck this time. Now, follow through. Just go ahead, I'll follow you. That was smooth and easy. No pulling down. So I followed you the whole time. I'm listening to everything you're doing.
I could almost trace this time, though.
You could what?
I could almost trace this pull down here all the way through into like the psoas, all the way into the hip joints. Like there was a whole line of if this goes, and then this goes.
Well, she's giving me information that I can use now to continue teaching. I can say, that's great. Let's work with that. So this time, I mean, I could just go down and sit in front of her and put my hand here in the pelvis and let everything up. But instead, let's see if you can follow that line with my hand here.
There's going to be some unwinding to do that, though.
Yeah, you're going to go into unwinding.
That's the knees, yeah.
All right, now I can let the unwinding happen a little bit, but I don't want to spend too much time with it. So I take you out of the conditions that create that. I come here. Now have a seat. Okay.
Almost.
All right, and wait.
It's interesting. If I release here, like my knees don't know what to do.
Well,
like these have to hold for the knees to know what to do. Yeah.
Now I have my elbow here, around the mid-thoracic, a hand here, and a hand on the hip sockets. Now have a seat. And that's it. See, I filled in all the gaps that she told me about. So I take my cues from you. And that gives you a different movement.
Yeah.
And we'll try that again. Almost knocked your glasses off again. All right.
It's like the knees expect it to be more than it is.
Okay, now this time just go half right. Just go, that's good right there. Right there, that's fine. Don't go any further. Now I'm taking this right here through the nape of the neck, through the hips, into the feet. And I'm going to go what I did with Roger. Now stand into my hand and go back, hips back, knees forward, out and away, knees forward, out and away, hips back, free your neck, hips back, standing, and having a seat.
It's always a good one. Ooh!
That's different. So What is it? It's like trying to remember a name.
Spring loaded.
Spring loaded, thank you.
Spring loaded.
Spring loadedness. It's going back and forth into the evolutionary aspect of the embryo. It really is. And to the baby when it's an infant crawling around on the floor. Because the all those curves that we were talking about, primary curve, secondary curve, all that happens reflexively. So that reflexively, everything is going on up here is happening upon a reflex. You have no control over it. You do have control over how you use it. That's different.
Mm-hmm.
Very different. Now, when the student goes into quietude, you get quiet, I will let that just be quiet. My hand is still at the base of the skull, trapezius going into the occiput, affecting the neuromusculoskeletal U, and also the autonomic nervous system. And this is quiet. So letting the student experience non-doing. There's a thought process. There's your habitual perceptiveness, maybe something new. That's all going on. Brain's not working so hard. And we're using a lot of slow twitch fiber. And now, consider standing without doing anything at all right in here. And now have some objective in mind. Some objective in mind. And to achieve that objective, whatever it is, move from where you are.
Want me to get you some water, Tommy?
I'm going to go and get some. That was really nice.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Really nice. Yeah, I'm going to go and miss it right now. Thank you.
I love how quiet the brain can be when everything's integrated. It's one of the reasons I ended up training, because we had a lesson very early on where everything just quieted down. And it was like the first time I'd ever had that. And it was just so nice. So nice. And it's amazing, even after years of studying, how even more effortless standing can be too. Yeah, there's still some level of expectation that you have to feel something or do something, otherwise it's not going to happen. But that's not true at all.
Still a point of support.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
It really is. It's neither from nor towards.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Still a point of support.